on any major credit card with FlexPay. I would buy more than one. Chad Allen is here as our brand ambassador. Chad, these are so incredible because when we think about our homes, right, that is going to be the place where we want to feel safe and secure. And the idea of being able to have lighting on the outside of our homes, all the experts talk about how important that is, especially to ward off people who we don't want in and around our homes. And even if it's an animal on the outside of your home and you hear something that kind of has you a little curious or suspicious, to be able to have that bright light, that spotlight on whatever that is, makes all the difference in the world.
Yeah, exactly. Hi, Marlo. Hi, everybody. Welcome to my home. I mean, from the #1 paint sprayer company to the #1 lighting company, especially here at this network, Bell and Howell, bringing us those problem-solving solutions that really do make our lives better. And by the way, this is that Academy Award-winning company for the projectors they used to make for movies for lighting and lenses, the two things you need to make a great light. I'll go over the features really fast, and then I want to show you a couple demos, because what makes this, amongst even just Bell and Howell lighting, so much more special than anything else we offer, is this solar panel. This is probably the most expensive solar panel we have in the terms of quality of construction. It's a little bit thicker than you're used to seeing, and it's definitely a lot larger than you're used to seeing. There's actually 22 different cells. On this, see 2, 4, 6, there's 22. And then it's a little bit thicker because there's a big battery built in. And then you're able to use the power of the sun to charge it up. And in a minute, the second you get into the range of that light, it blasts you with light, like sunlight blasts you, not a little bit of light. And then there's 8 LEDs, a motion sensor, and a light sensor right in the center. You get the stake. If I take the stake out, of course, you can mount it into any fence post or any fence or anything you need like that. Okay, here's the magic. When I flip it into sensor mode, I'm going to do that. It's going to immediately come on, of course. And then as I turn around, this is just my living room, just my house. And as I turn it around and I show you, do you see, I mean, this room is about, I don't know, 15, 20 feet deep. Can you see the orchid back there? Can you see my table? And when the motion stops, the light goes off. So the table, the couch, you can see everything, right? Now imagine if I was an intruder. I'm going to turn this off. Imagine if I was an intruder. I have another one right here, Marlo. It's right there on this marble little section there, okay? When I walk backwards, just as I get to the side of it, I didn't even get in front of it. As I get to the side of it, it comes on. So imagine if you just get comfortable for a second. If I bought 5 of these, it sounds like a lot. If you have a big property, you live in a rural area, I have lots of Facebook women who always write to me, and I put these all over my property, facing out, away from my house. So if a raccoon or a deer or, heaven forbid, an intruder crossed, I'm lit up. I mean, I look how far if I go look at this. That light's up there, girl. I mean, look at this. And if I get lit up, you know what I'm doing? I'm walking away. I'm not staying.
Well, Chad, you have to travel with me to my place in Georgia. When I talk about rural, I mean, it literally is in the middle of the woods. And when you talked about raccoons and deer and wild hogs and all sorts of stuff, listen, I know all about that. And the truth of the matter is, with the bright light that this gives off and powered by the sun, so no expensive electricity bills, no expensive wiring. You don't have to hire someone to install these. These are quick and easy. Look at that light. Did you see how bright that light was? Look at that oversized, large solar panel, again, powered by the sun. I love that you can put this on a pole, especially if you're living in a rural area. If you wanted to even mount this to a tree, you could do that, because remember, no wiring involved. Here's what you get with this. You get the solar sensor along with it. By the way, black is the #1 best-selling color. The lights have 8 large LED lights that are installed. You get the pole, you get the stake, and then of course we give you the quick start guide. It's going to take one person 2 minutes to install this, but at under $20, Bell & Howell, #1 best-selling brand, giving you a chance to be able to feel more secure, to be able to see what's happening on the outside of your home. And Chad, this could be, you know, whether you live in a condo, whether you live in a mobile home, whether it's an RV that you have, maybe it's a large, beautiful mansion that you own, and in the back where your patio is, on your deck, in your pool area, maybe there's a screened-in area around your home. I would definitely put one in every corner of my home. every corner, right?
You got it.
Left, right in the back, left, right in the front, and you know, maybe you have a detached garage. I would maybe put one there as well. This is a great, you spend about $100 and you've got great peace of mind with this.
You can get 5. You can get 5 of these for $100. And we don't want to spend $100. Pick up 2 or 3, then come back for more when you realize where you can use them, because Bell & Howell's not going anywhere. We've been here for a decade already. Well, at least I hope not, right? It's all based on you, customer reviews, customer favorite items, and that's what Bell & Howell is. When you search the webpage for Bell & Howell, it's customer pick, customer pick, customer pick. Y'all love this kind of item because you know it changes your life. So put one of these above the garage where you pull in, and then every time you pull into the garage or you pull up in the driveway, and I'll put some motion here so you can see it, when this is shining down where you get out of your car and you no longer have to worry about the puddle. You don't have to worry about if the kids left their toy in the driveway. You don't have to worry about if there's maybe a raccoon around, because the minute this light, or the minute your car pulls up and this light comes on, or you put this up on the outdoor staircase by the porch. My mom has one because she has stairs that lead up to the porch. I know she's safe. Every time she starts to walk up those steps, the light comes on. Even if it's dark in the porch light, maybe you forgot to turn the porch light on. That's okay. Look how bright this is. I mean, we say 8 LEDs, but they have a lens around them. That lens that's surrounding each one of those LEDs magnifies it like nobody's business. And Bell & Howell has thought of it all, because you don't even need to buy batteries, Marlo. That solar power, you buy it once, no cost of ownership. My favorite kind of item.
Me too. Listen, if you're gonna make the investment, today's a wise day to do it, because you probably will want to buy more than one with the free shipping and handling. Think about how much that's going to save you, and the flex pay. We're gonna wrap these up, but if you'd like to order, black has been the #1 favorite best-selling choice, but we also have the white choice. Just let us know which one you'd like us to send to your home. 697-323-CHAT. Great to see you, my friend.
Good to see you as well. I'll be back at 2 p.m. for a brand new Bell & Howell launch of our storage rack.
Ooh, can't wait for that.
Good fun day. Thanks, Marlo.
Sounds like fun. All right, everyone. So glad that you're watching. We're going to give you a look at our today's special. If you're just tuning in, almost 1,000 of you have ordered our today's special. I'm ordering